We are going to be taking the growth measurement test in Ed. So the whole purpose of this test is just to help me see, as your teacher, where are you in math and how can I support you in growing in math this year. So this test we're going to take a few times throughout the year just to measure our growth, right? The growth measurement test, and see how we are learning and if what we're doing is working. So as you do this test, you are going to come to some hard questions. Like, there's no doubt about it. So this test, what it does is as you get questions correct, it will keep giving you harder questions. And if you miss questions, it will start giving you easier questions. So it's trying to find, where are you in math? Where are the skills that you know? Where do we need to go to next? So there's a really good chance that you are going to come to some things that you've never done before. And I'm probably not great at them either. They're past 6th grade level, and that's awesome. So you're going to come to some hard questions. And as you do that, I just want you to use that math mindset. Now, since this is kind of a test, this isn't maybe the best time to ask your teacher questions or your classmates questions, right? I want to know what you know, not what they know. But there are some other strategies that you can certainly use while you are taking this. So I want you to be a problem solver and be creative. Think about, what do you know? Make connections to things you already know. Oh, this is kind of like that other question. This is what I did on that one. I'm going to try it on this one. And I'm also looking for that depth versus speed. So this is not a time to show me how fast you can do it. I want you to really take your time and show me what you know so that we can do our best to grow this year. So go ahead and take that growth measurement test in Ed, and good luck. Be sure to do your best.